Good morning student, welcome back. Today we will start a new topic, Solex pneumatic comparator. So pneumatic means air. So air is used to compare the things. So how it happens, let us see. Let us start with construction from the left side. So here you can see compressor. The role of compressor is to store air at required pressure and deliver it when it is necessary. And the compressed air is passes through the filter is used for to remove the impurities which is present in a air. So filtration process is done here, and next to filter here you can see this part is called as water tank, so in which water is filled, and the water is filled, and here you can see deep tube. The deep tube is inserted into water tank. So whatever the air is passing through filter, that come downside also, and that pushes water downside. So here you can see water bubbles are generated and come out from here. Manometer is attached parallel to the water tank. So here you can see this vertical cylindrical portion is called as manometer. It is connected to water tank in a parallel. This portion is called as orifice. So orifice means what? Restriction to the flow of air. So what happens is, when we provide a restriction to the flow of air, the pressure drops and velocity increases. Let us see here. Whatever the air is coming through the filter, because of the restricted area, it exerts some pressure here, so pressure falls and velocity increases. And because of that, some of the air passes through deep tube into water tank, and it acts pressure on a water. So here you can see capital H. Capital H means the level of water in a water tank, and small h means the pressure difference between capital H, that is water tank level, and manometer water level. So this is what manometer. Next is gauging head. So gauging head is used to check the internal feature of job, mostly cylindrical though. So here cylindrical example is given. Let us consider cylinder. The job is cylindrical, and air comes through this tube and it strike on a periphery of cylindrical job. So that is what gauging head. So let us see what happened. Now we will start with working. When compressed air compresses the air through filter, because of the orifice, some of the air passes through this tube and some of the air passes through deep tube into water. So it acts pressure on a water, and here you can see the pressure difference. Now let us see, when there are no irregularities present in the given surface, so what will happen? Or waviness not present in a given surface, what will happen? So this is our cylindrical job. If it is perfectly flat, in such a case what will happen over here? So in such a case water will be filled up to this level. So here you will get H minus H is equals to 0 for no irregularities. If irregularities present in a water, what will happen? If irregularities present in a water, what will happen? Let us see. When air strikes a periphery of given job, that is cylindrical, and if irregularity is present, what will happen? The air will exert a back pressure because of the irregularities present in a given job. So back pressure created and air moves backward, and air acts pressure in a manometer, and here you can note it, the manometer difference. So this is how we can calculate the given surface is perfectly flat or not. If h minus h is equals to 0, that means what? The given surface is perfectly flat. And if h minus h is something, that means what? The in a particular amount, that given surface is not perfectly flat, right? Or plus or minus, whatever the limit is given for that particular job. So in this way, the pneumatic comparator does. So let us see advantages. So pneumatic comparator can be used as a mass production. So mass production means you can take an example of any industry where in a single shift they are manufacturing like 500 components, 10,000 components. In such a case, it becomes very difficult to check internal feature of all components because batch size is very big. So in such a case, what to do? So in such a case, Solex pneumatic comparator can be used, right? Easy to understand and easy to handle. So less skilled worker also can be handled this Solex pneumatic comparator. What he need to do is he just need to see the difference. If any difference is present, he just need to note down. So I mean to say this is very easy to handle. Now let us move towards disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages for Solex pneumatic comparator? So required compressor, yes, it requires a heavy compressor, and because of that compressor, the initial cost of Solex pneumatic comparator increases. Initial cost increases. And third one is for different diameter, different gauge head is required. So here you can see, suppose this is 50 mm internal diameter of cylinder, right? It requires somehow 50 mm plus minus whatever the tolerance is given for job required gauge. Suppose I need to check 60 mm, 70 mm, 80 mm, 100 mm. In such a case, I need to change this gauging aid. So this would increases the cost of total Solex pneumatic comparator, right? Yes, external power is required. As we are using compressor, for compressor external power source is required. Again, that increases the initial cost or the total cost of Solex pneumatic comparator. Now moving further, applications. So where it is used? So here we have taken one example to checking internal features of given component. Internal feature means what? Circularity, ovality, right? So that can be checked with the help of Solex pneumatic comparator. So internal diameter, sometimes external diameter also can be checked with the help of Solex pneumatic comparator. Suppose this is a cylinder and okay, let us see how to check external diameter. Suppose this is a cylinder and we have to check its external diameter. So gauging head will be like this. Air comes through this, and here he will measure its circularity. Air will strike over here and he will measure its circularity. If given cylinder is perfectly flat, that means the component is manufactured at true length, and if any irregularity is present in a given circular object or component, so we can note its reading. So this is how we can measure internal feature, external feature also. So I hope you understood Solex pneumatic comparator. Thanking you.